Day 27, the magic mirror. The appearance of things changes according to the emotions, and thus we see magic and beauty in them. While the magic and beauty are really in ourselves. Khalil Gibran, 1883 to 1931, poet and artist. You can spend the rest of your life running around trying to beat the outside world into the shape you want, chasing one problem after another, trying to fix them, complaining about situations or other people, and never succeed in living your life to the fullest and realizing all your dreams. But when you make the magic of gratitude your way of life, everything in the world around you magically changes. Just like that. Your world magically changes because you changed. So, what you are attracting changed too. In the inspirational words of Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song, Man in the Mirror, which impacted hundreds of millions, one of the most powerful messages of all time was delivered. Change the person in the mirror, and your world will change. If you have followed the 26 magical practices to this point, you have changed. And even though it is sometimes hard to see the changes in yourself, you will have felt the change in your happiness, and you will have seen the change of improved circumstances in your life and the magical changes in the world around you. You have practiced the magical power of gratitude for your family and friends, for your work, money, and health, for your dreams, and even for the people you come across each day. But the person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else is you. When you are grateful to the person in the mirror, feelings of dissatisfaction, discontentment, disappointment, or I'm not good enough completely disappear. And with them, every dissatisfying, discontenting, and disappointing circumstances in your life magically disappears too. Negative feelings about yourself cause the greatest damage to your life because they are more powerful than any feelings you have about anything or anyone else. Whether you go and whatever you do, you take those negative feelings with you in every moment, and those feelings taint everything you touch, and they act as a magnet, attracting more dissatisfaction, discontentment, and disappointment with everything you do. When you are grateful to be you, you will only attract circumstances that make you feel even better about yourself. You have to be rich with good feelings about yourself to bring the riches of life to you. Gratitude for yourself enriches you. Whosoever has gratitude for themselves will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for themselves, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. To do the magic mirror practice, go to a mirror right now, look directly at the person in the mirror, and out loud say the magic words, thank you, with all your heart. Mean it more than you ever have before. Say thank you for being you. Say thank you for everything you are. Say thank you with at least the same amount of feeling you've used for everything and everyone else. Be grateful for you just as you are. Continue with the magic mirror practice by being grateful to that beautiful person in the mirror for the rest of the day today, and say the magic words, thank you, every time you look at yourself in the mirror. If you are not in a position to say the magic words out loud at any particular time, then you can say them in your mind. And if you're really brave, you can look in the magic mirror and say 3 things about yourself that you're grateful for. If for any reason in the future you're not being kind to yourself, you will know to give to the one person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else, the person in the mirror. When you're grateful, you don't blame yourself when you make a mistake. When you're grateful, you don't criticize yourself when you're not perfect. When you're grateful for being you, you are happy. And you will become a magnet to happy people, happy situations, and magical circumstances which will surround you wherever you go and in whatever you do. When you can see the magic in that person in the mirror, your whole world will change. Magic practice number 27, the magic mirror. Number 1, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessings, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Each time you look at yourself in a mirror today, say thank you and mean it more than ever you have before. If you're really brave, while looking in the mirror, say 3 things you're grateful for about yourself. Number 4, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Working with a mirror, I don't know if you guys are comfortable with it, but initially, yes, it kind of is a bit difficult, different, and somehow confusing. But yeah, the more you get to work with yourself in the mirror, the more comfortable you are seeing yourself, talking with yourself. That's one of the basic acts of self-love. There is a book which has got a lot of exercises on self-love called Mirror Work by Louis Hay. So in case you guys are interested, you should buy that book. It's got a 21-day practice, everyday practice to work with yourself in front of the mirror, working on self-love, and with one meditation every day. So you need to actually, see, it's very important. You need to be comfortable first with yourself. अभी हमने जो भी किया, हम एक happy zone में, gratitude zone में आए हैं. Now is it to take it to next levels. हमने लोगों पे काम किया, रिलेशनशिप्स पे काम किया, मनी पे काम किया, हेल्थ पे काम किया, हर चीज पे काम किया. अब हम अपने आप पे काम कर रहे हैं. So the person who deserves and will get true love, your love, is you yourself, the person in the mirror. We are open for any kind of questions. Has anybody done any kind of a mirror work before this book? Would like to share their experience or anything?
Yeah, so in theater, in drama, we do an exercise called mirror work, but that's done usually with a partner where, one is the leader, one is the follower. So whatever you do, the other person becomes your mirror. So yeah, so that's the kind of mirror work I have done. I don't know if that is what we are
Working with
talking
the
about.
actual mirror, we are working with yourself in front of the mirror. A
हाँ
lot of people have a habit of talking to themselves in the mirror.
हाँ वो तो किया है वो तो किया है थोड़ा बहुत.
I've also done.
Yeah,
Childhood.
yeah.
Always when
I think all, yeah. I think all women do it, I guess.
I think a
Yeah.
lot of women do it. When
Yeah.
they can't speak out in front of 10
Yeah.
people, 4 people,
Yeah.
5 people, they like to speak to themselves.
I see Natanya doing it now. Natanya also does it.
Mishan bhi karta hai, yes. Yes, a lot of children do. Yes. Very healthy to do it. Feel very light.
Great. So do we have our mirror or the selfie modes ready for today's small practice which we want to do?
Yeah, we can use the selfie mode, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
also like a mirror, no?
Right. Yeah.
What?
In case you guys are on another device and your cameras can be on, it'll be better. So that I'm able to see everybody. Great. It's a very small exercise which we're going to be doing. I hope everyone is ready so that we can start. Great. In case you are able to see the screen, you can look at the screen and we see where it says name, you need to say your name. I put everybody on mute so that you need to work with yourself. I will just say the main part. When it says the name, you please say your own name. Like for example, if the first paragraph says I love you name, so it is I love you Arjun Soni, whatever your name is. In case you want to say I love you Arjun Soni, I know you guys love me, I love you too. But since we are working on ourselves, so it'll be better if we do that ways. So now just concentrate, look at yourself in the camera or in the mirror. I love you as you are. And I love you as you are not. I respect you for what you are. And I respect you for what you're not. I accept you as you are. And I accept you as you are not. I am grateful for everything you have done for me. And I am grateful for everything you have not done for me. I love you just the way you are. I love you. I really, really love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll post this particular exercise. It's part of the mirror work. It's like a concise of a mirror work 3-4 chapters. So you can, take a printout, put it in any of your bathroom mirrors or dressing mirrors and work with it one time during the day. It's really very, very effective. So because you need to love yourself for what you are. And you need to love yourself for what you're not. You need to respect yourself for what you are. And you need to definitely respect yourself for what you're not. Accept yourself as you are and accept yourself as you're not. Be grateful for everything you have done for yourself and be grateful for everything you have not done for yourself. Love yourself just the way you are. Truly, deeply love yourself. You are the best version you could ever be. All positives, all positive ke niche wale, they are all you. Accept it, be with it, embrace them. Be as happy and as content as you can. Bhagwan ne bahut acha banaya hai. The way you've got to be in your life, truly fantastic. Accept it. Embrace it. Love it. Be thankful for it. Yeah, anything anybody wants? We're through with the chapter, we're through with the exercise. Anybody wants to share regarding the exercise? How was your feeling? How did you feel? Did it ring any bells?
So, Arjun, what could be the situation where you are below the line where you do this practice? I mean, normally you would thank outside. If you are below the line for the situation or the person,
No.
and that changes yourself, that changes your mood as well. But where would this particularly apply?
See, when you are in the A to Z, A has a special purpose, a significant purpose. B alphabet alag hai, C alag hai, D alag hai. So this 1 to 28 is all 28 chapters. Now where self-love comes is one basic criteria why they say self-love is very important, because what you are inside is going to come outside. If I am in love with myself, the love for others is going to come out. That's the basic criteria and the basic, the ideology behind self-love. See, now the basic ideology is, if you cannot love yourself, how can you love others? Yes, self-love pe ek basic ideology hai, which is being proclaimed by a lot of authors and a lot of these known writers and all. But in this book, it is the alphabets. We are learning the alphabets. So we are paying gratitude to everybody. Now we are paying gratitude for ourselves.
See, normally, if you have self-doubt, you have you have low self-esteem, you're feeling low self-esteem, what you would normally do is you would thank for what you have, and suppose, for example, say if you are having low confidence about something, about a meeting or whatever, you would normally still be thankful for a situation that you are at least in. You start thankful for at least the meeting which is happening, and so on and so forth, and the people in it and everything. That automatically boosts your confidence. So that is one technique. So is this a technique which is parallel to it?
Yeah.
That you
as long as you are being thankful for anything, you are making that, see, as I said earlier, our target is 86,400 thank yous a day. अब उसमें हम अपने आप को मिरर में भी थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं, जब हम खाली कंघी कर रहे होते हैं, हाँ मेरे बाल, चलो whatever lovely hair I have, I love and accept them as they are. But yeah, when you're combing your hair, you could be thinking of something else, na? I just thank you God for this lovely hair. Thank you for all, as Bhala says, thank you for all the Air Force attacks my hair has seen and stayed there. See, it's part of it's like an exercise. That's the whole chapter. But the way I can comprehend where you are going, जितना भी thank you कर लो, कम नहीं होता. मतलब it's not that you can be in a position where there is excess gratitude. So specifically, you are thanking yourself. And with this exercise, which I made you guys do, is we are thanking ourselves for the way we are, and we are thanking for ourselves for the way we are not. We are accepting ourselves for the way we are, and we are accepting ourselves for the way we are not. And equally respecting ourselves for the way we are and for the way we are not, and loving ourselves just the way we are. It's about total acceptance of yourself. You are perfect as you are.
So I think what I understand is, and the way I will be able to do this is, if I thank outside and then end it while thanking myself. If I thank myself first and I say, oh, Saurabh, amazing. You're able to do this meeting. You're in a position because you've created it, amazing. So that would give me more, maybe, proud, or that would make me.
I'll share a small example. You are going in for a meeting for which you have done magnificent outcomes and everything. यार ये तो आज बहुत ही बढ़िया and everything. It's just a fiction I am creating. You sit, meeting room में, board room में बैठे हैं. Suddenly this guy comes and he drops tea on you. And you are wearing probably a white pant or a white shirt. Hot tea गिर गई, एकदम से मूड शिफ्ट हो गया. तो थोड़ा गुस्सा आएगा, नहीं चल कोई नहीं, इट्स ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर कंसिडरेशन करते करते यू विल वॉक योरसेल्फ इन द वॉशरूम. एक बार नेगेटिव थॉट आएगी, यार क्या मतलब, व्हाट इज दिस, देयर इज, यू विल सी द मिरर. Just giving you a fictional situation which can happen, cannot happen. It has happened with me once, where yes, when I got to that mirror, I had that negative thing कि यार मैं इतना वो करने आया, and I spilled some, I think that guy served me some kind of a juice और वो गिर गया था, something like that, and I had to go to the washroom. बड़ी important meeting थी, बड़ा कुछ था, and there was an important decision to be made, and I was like यार पता नहीं क्या, because it diverted me. But when I saw myself in the mirror, it suddenly struck me. See, ग्रेटिट्यूड के लिए ना जो हमने प्रैक्टिसेस की है, दे आर लाइक रिमाइंडर्स कि इफ यू आर, मतलब देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वेयर इवन इफ यू वांट टू बी नेगेटिव, यू विल गेट दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड का वो, दैट स्नैप, एंड विल पुल यू बैक. थैंक यू बोल, चल. So they all,
it's like a mood shift. It's like a mood shifter as well, this exercise.
See, everything is about getting ourselves on the positive. मूड शिफ्टर हम इंटेंशनली यूज कर रहे हैं, ये अपने आप मैजिक क्यों हो रहा है. सो wherever you can relate it. But yeah, if you can love yourself, accept yourself, respect yourself for the way you are and for the way you are not, there's nothing more profound than that.
Thank you.
Anybody else has any kind of doubt, question, gray area, any sharing, anything would you like to add on to this, because this is something which everybody has practiced somehow or the other in any parts of their life. Great, let's call it the night. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for taking your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Thank
Thank you so much,
Rita.
everyone.
Thank you, Arjun.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Meherbani.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you.
Ho, 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 no, ho, no.
Thank you.